Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking what chapter 2 simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. And please reach me out for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab excel, my lab word, my lab powerpoint, writing, economics, java, c++, python, nursing, and macroeconomics and finance, and for many other courses. Simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Let's start our training to solve step by step. If you do not able to do this training, then you can contact me, and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete course for you with a plus grade, and I will do this complete course, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Okay, let's start our training to solve step by step. Okay, question number one is that select all document text, change the font to Time New Roman and the font size to 12 points. Simply we will select all text, all document text, then we will go to the home tab. In the font group we will click on the font style, and then we will apply Time New Roman font style on this document. Okay, here is the Time New Roman, and then we will go to the font size, and then we will apply 12 font size. In the home tab font group, click on font size button, and then we will apply 12 font size. Select the second paragraph in the document courtesy of Philips Studio L photography, then apply italic. Okay, we will select the second paragraph in the document. We will go to the second paragraph of this document. We will select this courtesy of Philips Studio L photography, then we will apply italic. We will go to the home tab. In the font group we will click on italic button. The italic, this paragraph will be italicized, is here. Select the five paragraph beginning with compose with care and ending with be bold. Ending with be bold. Okay. Click the font dialog launcher bold the section and select small caps effect. Close the dialog box. Simply in this question, select first five paragraph beginning with compose with care, ending with be bold. Where is the first paragraph? Select the five paragraph is here. Compose with care is beginning, and then behold is the ending. Click the font dialog box launcher, bold the section and select small caps effect. We will open the font dialog box. We will click on the bold small caps. We will click on small caps checkbox and then bold. Okay, 1 second. I am going to do this again. We will select first this five paragraph, go to the apply bold first, and then we will apply small caps. Okay, select the last paragraph. Let Philips Studio L photography your memories format the selected text with text effect of fill blue accent color 5, outline white background color 1, hard shadow blue accent 5. Okay, your memories format the selected text with text effect to fill blue accent color. We will select where is the let Philips. Okay, let Philips Studio L photography preserve your memories. Okay, memories, and then format the selected text with the text effect to fill blue accent color 5. We will go to the fill color, click on fill color button, and then we will apply fill blue accent color 5 outline. We will go to the, then we will select the word you should consider how to become a better photographer in the paragraph. Under the composition heading, click text highlight color. Okay, On the Home tab in the font group to highlight the text using the default yellow highlight color. We will select the word you should consider how to become a better photographer in the paragraph. Okay, where is the okay, here is you should 1 second. Okay, you should consider how to become a best photographer, and then we will apply go to the highlight color and then apply yellow highlight. Question is completed. The next question is question number 2. Select the text in the first body paragraph beginning with if you enjoy taking digital pictures and editing with when taking picture and change the lens spacing to 1.5. Do not deselect the text. Select the text in the first body paragraph beginning with if you enjoy taking. Okay, and then change the spacing to 1.5. We will select first this text. Okay, if you enjoy taking, and then go to and ending with the taking pictures. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will open the paragraph launcher box. We will open the paragraph launcher box, or we will go to the and change the lens spacing to 1.5. We will simply lens spacing to 1.5. Change the alignment of the selected text to justify. Change the alignment of the selected text to justify. Do not deselect the text. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will go to the alignment button and then we will select the text to apply alignment the selected text to justify. We will go to the open the paragraph launcher box and then we will select alignment to justified. Click on OK button. Change the spacing after of the selected text to 6 point. We will go to the paragraph launcher box and then we will spacing after to 6 point. Then click on OK. Place the insertion point after the setting after the second paragraph. Courtesy of Philips Studio L Photography. Click the insert tab. Okay, we will place the insertion point after the second body paragraph. Courtesy of Philips Studio L Photography. Then click the insert tab. We will click on insert tab. Click sample, click more sample, and then insert a registered sample from the special character tab. We will click on the insert tab and then we will click on sample. Where is the sample? In the samples group. Click on sample button. Okay, and then click on more samples and insert a registered sample from the special character tab. Go to the special character tab. We will select a registered sample. You can see here, click on insert button. We will click on insert button, then we'll close it. Change the alignment of the second paragraph courtesy of Philips Studio Photography to align right. We will select this second body paragraph uh, courtesy of Philips Studio Photography. We will select this text paragraph and then we will go to the home tab in the alignments group. In the paragraph group, we will click on alignment button and then we will apply alignments. Now scroll to page 4 and select the 4 paragraph. Scroll to page 4 and select 4 paragraph beginning with blurry image due to focus and ending with that cracks for a bit of shape. Okay, scroll the 4 paragraph first. Scroll to page 4 and select the 4 paragraph. Okay, then click the paragraph setting dialog box launcher and apply a left indent of 0.5. Scroll, go to the 4 page and then we'll select 4 paragraph. Okay, beginning with blurry image due to focus and ending with that cracks for a of shake bit of shake. Okay, then click the paragraph setting dialog box launcher. We will click on the paragraph setting dialog box launcher. In the home tab in the paragraph group, click on paragraph setting dialog box launcher and apply a left indent of 0.5. Sorry, one we will select first this first four paragraph. Okay, so we will open the paragraph setting dialog box launcher and then apply the left indent of 0.5 inches. Left is 0.5. Then we'll click on OK button. Question is completed now. The question number 3 of the simulation training is that place the insertion point at the end of the document, display the ruler, set or left align tab, stop at the 1 inches mark on the horizontal ruler. Okay, place the insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, and then display the ruler. We will go to the view tab. In the show group, we will click on ruler checkbox. Set or left align tab, stop at the 1 inch mark on the horizontal ruler. Left align tab we will set on 1 inches. Change the tab selector to a right tab and then click 5.5 inches on the ruler to set a right tab. Right tab is 5.5 inches and ruler to set a tab is 5.5 inches. Open the paragraph dialog box. Click tabs to open the tabs dialog box. Click the 5.5 inches tab and select a dot leader. Click OK. Okay, open the paragraph dialog box. Go to the home tab and then we will open the paragraph dialog box. Click tab to open the tab dialog box. Then click the 5.5 inches tab and select a dot leader. We will click 5.5 inches tab and where is dot leader and then select a dot leader. Click OK. Where is the dot leader? And click OK. Press tab. Type Monday, Friday. We will press tab. We will type here Monday, Friday. And then press tab. Type 9 to 4 and then press enter. Then we'll press tab. Then we'll type Saturday. Then we'll press tab and then type 9 to 2. 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And then press tab. Then press enter and then press tab. And then we'll type close Sunday. Close Sunday. Okay, select the 3 paragraph at the end of the document, beginning with Monday, Friday and ending with close Sunday. Open the border and shading dialog box. Display the borders tab. In the borders and shading dialog box, select shadow border setting with a double underline. We will simply select 3 paragraph at the end of the document. Okay. Open the borders and shading dialog box. We will go to the border and shading dialog box in the home tab and the paragraph group. Click on the border button and then open the border and shading dialog box. Display the borders tab. Okay. In the borders and shading dialog box, select shadow border setting with a double underline. Where is the shading? Okay, shading dialog box and select shadow border setting and with a double underline border style. Double underline border style and then click on OK. Change shadow to blue accent 1 letter 60%. We will go to the home tab with the paragraph group. We will open the shadow button and then go to the border and shading button and then we will go to the shadow and then we will go to the shading and then we will change the shading to blue accent 1. We will go to the colors and then apply blue accent 1 lighter 60% is here. You can see blue accent 1 lighter 60%. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 4 of this training. The question number 4 of this training is that at the beginning of document select 5 bolded paragraph beginning with compose with care and ending with be bold. Click the numbering arrow and then select the last option on the first row in the numbering library. Compose with care is the first sorry, beginning and then ending with B bold, we will select the 5 bolded paragraph. Click the numbering arrow, then select the last option on the first row in the numbering library. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will click on numbering library and then select the last option on the first row in the numbering library. Last option in the first row is here. Scroll to the depth of field section on page 2 and select the 4 paragraphs beginning with aperture f-stop and ending with points of view. Apply a hollow round bullet to the selected paragraph. Okay, so, scroll to the depth of field section on page 2. Okay, and select 4 paragraph beginning with aperture, okay, and ending with point of view. Okay, apply a hollow round bullet to the selected paragraph. We will apply, go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on bullets button and then we will apply hollow round bullets. Scroll to the last page and select the last 6 body paragraph beginning with where kids are involved and the ending with before even greeting Santa. Okay, where kids and then ending with greeting Santa. Apply a hollow round bullet to the selected paragraph. We will select this paragraph first and then we will go to the home tab in the paragraph group. Click on bullets button and then we will apply hollow bullets. Okay, question is completed now. You can see I have done half training in my video. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab economics, okay, macroeconomics and many more online courses, C++, Java, coding and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp directly, come on my WhatsApp chat and my WhatsApp and email and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your simulation trainings. I will do your all simulation exam. I will do your all assignments project. I will do your midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.